Hey people, so we are at this place called Fresh Presso Juices, which is this place in Bachapalli. And Ayush, how is that waffle ice cream? So it's a very cute little place, and if you were to take a look, the decor is also pretty cute, really. And we are waiting for a chocolate waffle, Nutella waffle to come. And that ice cream is also hereby donated to my child only, I guess. And yeah, so if you were to take a look at the rates, it is I would say it's a very from a student perspective.
This is just like Magnolia or the bakery if it was like a softie.
Yeah, seriously.
Like the cone is very crunchy, see?
Yeah. It's a waffle cone, really. Yeah. And this was, we got it for just 50 bucks. And then the Nutella waffle is 100. Dry fruit waffle, then there's cheese choco waffle. That sounded interesting, Ayush. You could have taken a cheese choco waffle. But yeah,
Cheese.
I know. But on a scale of 1 to 10, you would give it? Yeah.
7.5.
Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.